rehearsing and performing a scene. The only difference is each 9-year-old boy will be writing the scene for their team to perform. Rebecca, what are the rules?
Older students are not allowed to help their mini writers. They also cannot change the script. Each mini writer has approximately 40 minutes to complete their script. It can be as long or as short as they need it to be. Points will be distributed based on director's choices, teamwork, and the script.
Once the scenes are finished being written, teams will disperse and work on their scenes together. There is no official director, so they will have to work as a team. The more they work together, the better the chances they'll have at winning this game. Ready, set, go!
Well, I was okay with Hayden writing the script.
Oh, this is gonna be the baddest play ever.
When I first found out that the Hayden, our 9-year-old on our team, was writing her script, I was a little concerned, but kind of like hyped up because I thought it would be fun.
See my pencil broke. Done, done. Ow! I poked myself.
We're going to lose. Yep. That's what I thought. We're dead.
It's F-A-A-T-H-E-R. I went to the spelling bee. Oh, I was correct.
When I first found out I had to write a script or monologue, I was really scared because I have never done it before.
Oh, you guys are gonna get How am I gonna call them
Martha roll Kelly, Emma roll Addie, and Nikki roll Briley.
It's turned out pretty good.
Hayden's pretty chill. He has a little more self-control than everybody else. All the other 9-year-olds.
Yeah, CJ scares me. I scare everyone. Sally.
I was more confident with Hayden on our team because he's more like laid back and he takes things seriously sometimes. When the other two, like CJ and Aaron, they like to goof off a lot of times.
45 minutes to think of a play? They have days to think of things like this. Hey, shh.
It's just
We're trying to concentrate.
just a small scene of a play. It doesn't have. It's not like an entire play, unless you want to do like something small that has an entrance and an ending.
So I was surprised, happy, and I felt like I was gonna torture people.
We've never seen any of them write before.
I've seen Hayden write and it's very bad.
Well, you got 40 minutes now.
That break. How's it been 5 minutes? It's been like 30 seconds.
Well, I've been thinking of my rules, so I got Martha, Emma, and Nikki.
I've got Sally.
My mom's name is Nikki.
Who's the father gonna be? How about you wave to the camera?
Just
Hey,
like
Mom.
his name's just Father.
No, hey, Mom. It's gonna be.
CJ and Aaron, they're just crazy. And Hayden, he's more laid back and chill.
Sally's gonna be a warthog.
Well, I felt defeated, I felt hurt, I felt betrayed, and I don't understand why you would pick a 9-year-old to write a script when we're trying to win a competition.
Brenda's gonna be an egg. Bob is Bob. Bob the Builder. He's a creature called Bob.
Maybe a slight bit of hope. There is hope.
Sorry, guys. We're all gonna die. We're gonna get like less 400 points. Ooh. I need one more character. I got Bob. I forgot the A and Brenda.
I think we're gonna win the next round if we do good and we don't flubber it.
They will suffer under my will. I'm trying to concentrate. This is the best challenge yet. I don't know what to do. Bob said, eggs. Okay, I thought mine was bad.
When I found out I was gonna be writing, I felt good, but I felt nervous because I didn't know if they were gonna have faith in me.
They will suffer under my will. None of them will survive after this. This would be very interesting.
He's a 9-year-old, you can't expect that much.
How do you spell woo? Like woo? W-H-O-O. No, that's who. That's who. Doctor Who.
You just take out the H.
Oh.
W-O-O.
Make sure to make
Oh, that's what you mean.
make sure to make Jimmy's first line all capital so they know they have to yell at.
We're deceased. We're gone. It's over. We've lost.
How is writing's like my worst subject? I had to write. What do you call those things? How is he so constant? I had to write a story and it was about chicken. Oh yeah, because
I'm almost done. I just need one more line.
How? I have like 4. How? Oh, CJ's getting angry.
I think Hayden will possibly write us a pretty good scene.
You know what's going on
Yeah.
up there? Talking. Not a lot of writing.
No,
talking.
I can hear the laughter.
That's all they're doing.
Yeah. You don't remember that wolf look I had? And my makeup looked bad. I had to stay up all night trying to get my face washed.
I still got a little bit right here.
No, I don't. Whatever.
I don't think these two are okay.
We're not. I'm trying to concentrate.
Even CJ's quieter than
Brenda's
you
got
now.
a brain.
CJ's quieter than you now.
Come on.
You're the quiet kid.
Don't delude yourselves. We're doomed.
He was a very...
The end. I'm tired. I don't know how to spell freaking maniacal.
Okay, y'all gotta be quiet so I can concentrate, please. Please. I'm asking you very nicely.
If anyone wants to bet me on this, maybe just $1, I bet that everyone is gonna go CJ after we're done with this.
Then you're gonna go.
I bet it.
We are not going to win. We have no hope.
I'm done.
See? Hoping.
I'm done too. I'm tired of writing.
Wait, I gotta play.
We've lost. Yay! I won!
Well, you gotta get your team. Also, a lot of it is how well your team performs it.
Oh no, then we might lose.
I think he can write a good script. Maybe. Oh, we're dead. We're absolutely. We're gone. Compared to the other teams, he might be good.
Get her in.
I'm sorry! Take this. So you are Jen, you are Jimmy, and you are Bob. We so lost. There you go.
I'm Martha.
You have
Oh boy. Scene 2.
Bro, what is this, dude? Like,
Okay, you were in the pressure of having 45 minutes to write a scene.
Well, if you had, we were counting on you in the comments, and all you had to do was walk away, and it would have been great.
Wouldn't it make more sense when Addison finds out that she's the alien that she kills Addison?
CJ made the script. Let's go with it. Okay? Back off. You're not supposed to be talking. Who the heck are you?
Shut it!
I am your father! I think I killed him.
Everyone is laughing.
He did this in 40 minutes. This is
45
5, 6,
minutes.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13 lines. I can write a monologue in 15.
I feel like in the beginnings, okay, so Keller, you're gonna lead and, hurry up, whatever. Okay.
So I lead us in.
I'll
I'm gonna
lead
take this off real
seconds,
quick.
then you will be behind me, and I'll be like,
I'm going to Chapman Cultural Center. I'm done.
Idea. So you're laying down.
okay.
I start ringing. I go ring, 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 ring,
Yeah.
ring, 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 ring. What? You let her ring to someone, and then she calls again.
Yes.
And you're like, what do you want?
I wish I had more lines because then.
Hello?
I look beautiful, don't I? I know I look beautiful.
Are you Bob?
I'm freaking Jimmy. Nobody in these camps anymore.
Oh, and
You guys take me as a joke?
No, wait.
It's a little confusing, but I think we can.
I think we can make this work. We're gonna have to, because it's our only option.
I'm tired of this. I want to go home. You're keeping me hostage. You are home, Gabe.
Whoa, okay. Well,
The writer's coming back.
Maybe you should chase me off.
Yeah!
It feels good for someone to actually appreciate what I've done.
Rehearsal is going good. I feel really confident.
Up first, we have the RG2s performing Huh by CJ Nicholson.
eggs.
Where's the eggs?
Eggs.
Ew! What is that?
Huh?
Yo, is it pink?
Well,
You're an alien!
is done. And now, the world!
Logan just went, ah.
Up next, we have the Lion Kings performing The Three Ladies by Aaron Pierce.
Hurry up, guys! We're gonna be late for the concert!
Jill, we got 20 minutes and we're right here.
I guess, right? Come on, if we want to get good seats, we gotta go!
Yay!
Woo! That was the best concert ever!
I know, right? That was the best Kiss concert.
Well, see you tomorrow?
Yeah, see ya! Peace out!
What? Hi, Emma. How's it going?
It's 6 in the morning.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, bye. Bye.
MC.
And last but not least, we have the Shakespeareans performing I Am Your Father by Hayden Huss.
Hey, Brenda. I think I see somebody.
Should we go?
No. He looks kind of friendly.
Okay.
Hey, come here.
Why?
Because, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Okay. We will come.
Okay.
Hi.
I am your father.
Hi. Are you the ice cream man?
Sure.
Bye, Felicia.
Wait, no, come back. Come here.
Okay. Who are you again?
I am your father.
Now for the first review on the Shakespeareans. Judge number 1 says, this was the only scene that made any sense. Also, the actors took the scene and genuinely performed it in a way that made you want to know what happened next. The acting was fantastic. Judge number 2 says, to take a 9-year-old script and turn it into something with feelings is impressive. The acting was very good. Final score, 28 out of 30, which brings their score to 68. Now for the second review for the Audrey 2s. Judge number 1 says, the script had an intriguing concept. However, it didn't make any sense. If the audience can't make any sense out of it, then what's the point? Also, points lost for breaking character. Judge number 2 says, I love the idea of this play, but there wasn't enough dialogue to make it make sense. I would have liked some more emotion in the few lines that were there. I love the title of Huh, because it definitely made me feel that way. Final score, 18 out of 30, which brings their score to 54. Now for the final review on The Lion Kings. Judge number 1 says, for a 9-year-old writing the script, I can appreciate how the scene flowed. However, there was no conclusion. I thought the girls were going on an adventure, but it sort of just stopped. Acting was very good. Judge number 2 says, I love the use of 2 scenes and how the actors use the stage. As judge number 1 said, there wasn't a conclusion to this story, and that was disappointing. Final score, 24 out of 30, which brings their score to 68.
I was slightly nervous. I definitely had more faith than Kella did.
I had a lot of hope in Aaron. Kella had no hope in him.
I had complete faith in Aaron the entire time. I mean, I never doubted him for a second.
Kella had faith in me the whole time, she said, and I believe it.
I did not think we were going to win, though. I was hoping, like, at least second place. I mean, CJ was the script writer, so.
They did not understand what I was trying to do.
And we're tied with the Lion Kings, and they're gonna go down.
I'm kind of nervous about that, and because during the very, very first rounds that we did when we first started, they were in the lead, and we were in last place, and I was kind of nervous that we wouldn't make a comeback, but we did.
And us tying with the Shakespeareans just means we have to give it everything we got tomorrow.
Wait, this is the one before the last round?
Yes.